Hi, today we have Volkswagen Passat with 1.9 TDI engine. I'm going to show you how to change the exchange heater or heater core. The problem is it's not leaking, but also it's not heating, so probably the channels inside are stuck and the coolant is not circulating through the exchange heater. So to replace it, I don't have to remove the whole dashboard, but I have to remove some panels here. I'm going to remove this plastic cap. There is a bolt with 25 Torx, and I'm going to remove this side panel, and also I'm going to remove this lower panel. There are 3 bolts, also with Torx 20, and after that I can see the After removing the bolts, now I'm going to push the side panel down, and after that I can remove it from the vehicle. And now we can see the exchange heater. It's located behind this plastic cover. Now I'm thinking that probably I should have to push back also the center console plastic. That is this one, because I think I won't be able to remove it without removing that one. To remove the central console, I have to push the seats all the way back, and we have here one bolt with Torx 20. Also, I have to remove the side panel on this side, one bolt at the front behind the plastic cap, and when I remove the panel, also there will be one bolt over here, and I have to remove this rubber mat, and here we have 2 nuts with 10mm wrench, and also I'm gonna have to pull out the plastic cover and also the gear shift leather. That one is together. I'm gonna use some small screwdriver. So the plastic cover side panel is removed, the side bolts are also removed, also the 2 nuts are removed, and next I'm going to remove the gear shift knob with a small screwdriver. I have to open a little the metal clamp, and after that I can pull it up. Next is to remove the ash tray, and we have 2 bolts also with Torx 20, and also when I remove the ashtray, I have to remove this panel here on the climatronic, and after that I have to remove the animatronic. There. So now we have 4 bolts of the climatronic, and also there are 2 bolts of the central console. After removing all the bolts, so now we can see that the central console is released, and I just have to disconnect the ashtray cigarette lighter. Here are the 2 bolts that were behind the climatronic. Don't forget to disconnect the ASP button and also auto hold button if it's installed in your vehicle, and cigarette light switch. So now we have access for opening the plastic cover. That is there are a couple of bolts with they can be opened with 7mm wrench or with Torx 15. I think they are 4. Before I remove them, I'm going to remove the plastic pipe that is for blowing air into the legs, and that one is holding with 1 bolt over there with Torx 20. I'm going to remove it, and I can remove the pipe. So now we can see better, and we can see that there are 3 bolts with 7mm wrench or with Torx 15. I have removed the plastic cover that is holding the exchange heater or heater core. So now I'm going to disconnect these 2 metal clamps. I'm going to open the bolts with Torx 20, and also I'm going to remove this bolt with 10mm wrench, so I can move the metal part a little, and I will be able to move the metal hoses to disconnect the exchange heater. Everything is disconnected. Now the last thing is to disconnect the aluminum hoses. Now the problem is that they are stuck because they have been connected for over more than 10 years, and rubber is stuck inside, so it will be a little difficult to remove them, but we have to separate, and these 2 are staying on the vehicle. This part is has to be removed. I have managed to remove the exchange heater, but because the one pipe was too stuck and it didn't want to move, I cut the pipes from the old exchange heater, and after that I was able to move them. First I have rotate, and after that I have pulled them out. Also I have removed these plastic guides of the heater core, and here I have a new one that I am going to install on the vehicle. And you can see it's totally the same. So I'm going to install new O-rings. I'm going to remove these plastic caps. I'm going to install new O-rings here. I have used a little grease put on the rubber seals so I can easily install into the aluminum pipes. As you can see, I have installed the heater core, installed the metal clamps, everything is tightened. I have refilled with coolant, and also I have connected the climatronic ASP button, also for the airbag diode. So now I'm going to start the engine, and I'm going to let to warm up a little to see if there are any leaks. And also to see if the heater is working. So far it looks good, but we have to wait for the engine to warm up a little and see if the heater is also warming up, and also there aren't supposed to be any leaks. The engine has been working for a while, and now when I touch, everything is hot on both sides. I'm going to check for leaks. There aren't any leaks, so that means that now I can shut off the engine and I can start reassemble everything, return the plastic covers, return the central plastic console. So first I have installed the plastic cover of the exchange heater, 3 bolts with Torx 15. Also I have installed a plastic pipe that is blowing air into the legs. 1 bolt, it was here between with Torx 20. After that I have installed the central console. Here we have 2 bolts, also with Torx 20. 2 bolts of the ashtray, connected the ASP, connected the cigarette lighter, and 2 bolts we have at the back with 10mm wrench. And also don't forget, on the middle there is one on each side, also with Torx 20. So now I can install the climatronic, install the plastic covers. I have connected and installed the climatronic, 4 bolts with Torx 20. So now I can install the plastic covers. And that is everything put together. So now I'm going to install the gear shift letter, and the metal clamp can be tightened with this kind of tool. Just press it and now it's hard, it's not going anywhere. there everything is back to its place. So next is to install the side panels. First I'm going to install this one, this side panel here, and the other one that is between the clutch and brake pedal. I have installed the lower side panel. Also I have installed the other panel, installed the OBD connector. So now I just have to install the plastic cover and install the side panel on the right side, on the other side. That one is finished also. Tightened the bolt, install the plastic cap. So now I can start the engine again, check everything if it's working. ESP button is working, everything is working. We have illumination in the ashtray, radio is working, everything is working. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.